Hey you guys, welcome back to another fun, fabulous show. This is another version of Ask Me Wednesday, and today I am answering the ultimate question. Well, hey guys, welcome back. This has been here, as you know, it's your boy. Anyways, so my daughter hit me up. She asked me, hey, Dad, what is your favorite bird that you have here? Because she goes around and she'll look at all the birds. And well, one day she asked me, hey, what's your favorite bird? And I told her, you know, I really don't have a favorite. You know, I don't play favorites. But, now here's the but. I do have some that I like a whole big bunch, and I'm gonna get into that. But first, guys, check these guys out. See, when I'm slow at feeding the birds in the morning, they just get right up in my pitcher there, full of food, as to say, hey, I'm kind of lagging, dude. And Kevin. Well, anyways, yeah, so I wanted to shoot that shot before I feed the birds. There's only some that need to be fed, you know, like the peafowl. I feed them every morning, but some of the other birds, of course, they have food in their feeders already. But yeah, here's my morning routine, guys. You shake the pitcher like that, and here they come. Watch them follow me. Kevin, Thelma, Louise, let's get it. Feeding time, let's go. Oh, they're on me. Look at them, they're hungry. And I like to feed them in this little dish right here. See that sound? They love that sound. A little tapping on the dish, that means feeding time. My little Old English Bantam hen, guys, you see that? She's been with us for years. She's an old lady. And once in a while, when these guys venture away from the rest of the group, I'll go ahead and treat them by themselves. Because as you can see, we got Big Bully here. Kevin, I just fed you guys. Let her eat, dude. Come on, don't be a big meanie. Go ahead, little missy. Get in there on that feed. Yeah, I've noticed, like, when I feed the peafowl, they'll usually stay over there and eat. And then as I make my rounds, I'll dump little piles out for the birds like this one right here. So that way they get their ration, you know? Oh yeah, another thing, guys. I swear my peafowl are okay. There was no massacre. They roost up in the tree up here at night, and I think they just pick their feathers out. They're molting, of course, but between the feathers they pick out and the feathers that just fall out, the lawn looks like a massacre. White feathers everywhere. All right, guys, so now for the ultimate question. My favorite bird. I'm not going to narrow it down to species, okay? Because I'm a complete bird nerd. I like them all. But over the years of raising birds, I have grown fond to, you know, certain individuals. Like Albert, for example. He's one of my favorite birds here. That's why he has a name. Now, would I say that Albert, you know, or the Himalayan mono, would I say that is my favorite species? No, I really like them all. And there's a couple other birds, if you guys follow me, that I have named, that I'm also fond of. Now, for the other bird that I have named, this is Popeye up here. You guys all know him. See, like, again, not my favorite species, I would say. You know, even though yellow goldens, I really like those, you know, and I like the birds that I do have. But, you know, he's one of my favorite birds. So, of course, he has a name. Now, here's another example of that, guys. Mr. Electric here. He is another one of my favorites here. And that's why he has a name. I grow fond of a bird, I name him. You know, it's just the way it goes. You know, they're ones that stick with me. You know, it's more sentimental than a actual, oh, that's my favorite species kind of thing, you know. But yeah, it's always showtime with this guy. And how could I not like him, you know? See my girls right here, Thelma and Louise. Now those are my favorites. They're all my favorites. Mr. Tragapon. How we doing, buddy? Oh, a little jumpy today, huh? All right, guys, so basically what I'm trying to say is I really don't have a favorite species. You know, there are certain birds I grow fond of, like I was saying. And, you know, yeah, I will say they were my favorites. But not to put in a category of species, but just as an individual bird. Yeah, but I'm going to turn this into another question here, guys. Okay, I'm going to address. Because I've asked myself, you know, many a times, if I could only keep one species, now which species would it be? Would it be my yellow goldens? No. You know why? Because I can replace those. The breeder I got them from, he has the same family. He has some beautiful yellow goldens. You know, the males they come nice rich color, and for the most part the females will get, you know, the bar tails. So yeah, I can replace those if I had to. But if I, you know, only could keep one species, what species would that be? Now, we know it's not going to come down to that, guys. We know it's not going to come down to that. But if it did, if I could only keep one species, that species would be my Lady Amherst. Now, why my Lady Amherst? Well, because all my Lady Amherst, they come from 3 different breeders. And I have infused the lines. Now, 2 of the breeders, I know for sure, do not raise these anymore. They have moved on to other things, but they had some great quality stock, and I could not replace them. So yeah, guys, that's pretty much the gist of it right there. You know, I love all my birds, and I'm going to get more species. I will never be down to just one species, you know. That's the plan anyways. But if I had, you know, if I could only keep one, it would be my Lady Amherst, because I cannot duplicate what I have going on here. I could not replace them. So what I have now is a product of years of breeding and infusion of those 3 lines. So there it is, guys. There's your Ask Me Wednesday question and answer. Question: my favorite species is, well, I don't have one. I love all my birds. I love all species of birds. Now, there are certain individual birds that I've grown fond of, and they have names. And yeah, so I have favorite birds as individuals, but not by species, you know. And of course, you know, if I couldn't keep any other species but one, it would be my Lady Amherst, because those birds, they need help. The Lady Amherst needs help. There's a lot of hybridization going on with those rough pheasants, and they need all the help they can get. And besides that, my Lady Amherst consists of 3 different bloodlines. And 2 of the breeders that I got them from, they have moved on to other things, and I cannot replace those. So, yeah. I've worked with these birds for a while now, and I believe what I got is the purest I can find. if there was any pure, I would have them or go after them for sure. But yeah, if I could only keep one species, it would be my Lady Amherst. But as far as favorites, guys, I love all species, you know, and I do grow fond of individual birds by their personality. Yep, so that's it. Yeah, so also another thing, guys, is I'm gonna start doing another midweek thing like I had the Ask Me Wednesday. I'm gonna start doing something else on Wednesday, so you know, stay tuned for that. I don't know what it is yet, because all the questions I'm getting lately are about me selling birds. You know, do I have birds for sale? Do you ship? And yada yada yada. You know how that goes, guys. So that's where I'm at now. I'm gonna get ready for shipping, but I'll find something else to do, you know, midweek. You know, and of course I'll release my one video, the main video, on the weekend, and I'll do something else on Wednesday. We'll see what's going on, see what I can do. But anyways, guys, I'm gonna sign off. Okay, so if you haven't subscribed, please subscribe and help our channel grow. We have plenty of ideas and plenty of things to talk about and plenty of birds to discuss. And to all my bird friends out there, thanks for watching. I'll see you next time. All right, bye. Kevin, Thelma, and Louise, you guys have got to help me out with these feathers, man. I'm out here every other day picking up these feathers. I come out every morning thinking one of y'all has died. Maybe got ate by a mountain lion or a bear or something. And nope, you guys are just hopping around playing like happy-go-lucky. Yeah, look at you. You think it's some kind of game, huh? That I got to get out here every other day and clean these up. Kevin, check your girls, bud.